Welcome to Bluefrog Home Services of New Orleans. Most of us spend a lot of time in our homes, so we want to make sure the air we're breathing is truly clean. Bluefrog Home Services of New Orleans will test your air quality for common pollutants and work with you to install the right humidifiers, ventilation systems, or air purifiers. These help reduce common allergens, toxic chemicals, dust, mildew, mold, and more. We won't stop at installation. You can breathe easy knowing we'll be ready to perform any routine maintenance on these systems at your convenience.